Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Substack for email marketing. First, create your free account on Substack's website. You will then set up your publication's name and a brief description. This initial setup is crucial for attracting your target audience. Substack provides a straightforward interface, making it easy to begin publishing your content and connecting with readers immediately. It's a powerful tool for independent writers. Once your account is ready, focus on personalizing your publication. Select a unique name and write a concise description that tells readers what to expect. Upload a distinctive logo and banner to establish your brand identity. Think about your content schedule. Consistency is key. Substack allows you to publish articles, host podcasts, and even create discussion threads, offering diverse ways to engage your audience and share your insights. To expand your reach, actively promote your Substack on social media like X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Share snippets of your work and direct potential readers to your publication. Encourage current subscribers to spread the word. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful. Respond to comments and participate in discussions to build a strong community. Consider offering some free content to entice new readers, alongside exclusive content for paid subscribers. Substack offers a clear path to monetization through paid subscriptions. You can set your monthly or annual subscription price, with many creators choosing around $5 per month. Substack takes a 10% cut, meaning you keep 90% of your earnings. Utilize the analytics dashboard to understand your audience better. Monitor key metrics like open rates and subscriber growth to continuously improve your content and engagement strategies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.